Okay, this fix is if you're on Battlefield and if your game, if all the sounds are all fucked up and if there's a bunch of shit going on, then none of the sounds load in properly. And this only applies to people who have an SSD or and they had the game installed on an HDD. If you don't have, if you, the game's not installed on a hard drive, and you have extra space on your computer, like in the form of a solid state drive, then this isn't gonna work. Because if you only have a hard drive, it's just gonna continue to have that problem, or maybe not for you, but for me, what fixed it was literally just uninstalling the game from the hard drive and then installing it onto the solid state drive, and that's it. That's all you have to do. All right, thanks, bye.